Hi everyone, hello. Mimi hapa tena. It's me again, Unijax Nyarminawala. Thank you so much to my subscribers and everyone who has viewed our videos. Thank you and may God bless you. Leo, like today, I'm really craving boiled mayai, which I have to go and prepare. Then we eat with my dogu. Yeah. So that is what we're going to have. You see, I have a very nice and beautiful background. I love the flowers, everything, and it's bright. There is no rain, but it might rain sooner. So welcome back to my channel.